So it will be NDA will be strengthened.
Deputy CM Udayanidhi in his Pongal tweet says that dominance crowd gather around Tamil Nadu will be dispelled by rising sun. He says that.
Pongal means sun only, but most of the time now sun is hiding and rain is coming. So rain if comes, ponds will be full and lotus will be blooming. So now even Udayanidhi is not very sure about his rising sun and Pongal. So rising sun is there. Rising sun Udayanidhi. It is not rising sun. So people are very angry about this rising sun, not this rising sun. S-U-N. So Udayanidhi is probably talking about himself. So people are very angry about this rising sun. So there won't be vote for rising sun.
Annamalai, last one question. Annamalai has directly invited TVK from an alliance. Why the BJP want to include the TVK in alliance?
No, it is not. As I said, we want whoever the party who takes the leadership of our NDA, our Honorable Modi ji, and who want to defeat DMK will be a part. So whoever want, it is not only our responsibility. The parties like TVK and other parties who want to defeat DMK, it is their responsibility to join hands totally without splitting the votes. So according to whoever joins, there don't be any split of votes. That is the aim of our leader and normally everyone. No, it is not a call. It is not only appeal. It is a truth conveyed to him. It is the political situation conveyed to him. So be isolated whether you can win or not. So it is your motto to defeat DMK. So if you are all together only, it will be much easier. It is not that only with Vijay we will win. Definitely NDA has become very stronger force in Tamil Nadu. If Vijay comes, there will be only a split of votes. Thank you.